What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with the e46 again. I got my nasty hat on, so that means we got to do some shit to it. The two passenger side windows fell off the track, so we're gonna pull the door panels off and see if we can get those windows fixed. Let's get to it. So after you get it off, there's a couple of things back here that you have to get off. This one you just pull out, comes off. So just a pin that's in the side of the door over here. Simple. This little wire plugged into the little subwoofer or speaker. Now, just have to pull off all this and see what's behind there. The battery back in so the window can go up and down. Alright, so we got everything pulled off, the airbag, disconnected, the window regulator, speakers unhooked, and what I found is over here the wires that the regulator uses to push up and down the windows. You can see that one. Anyway, that one is totally loose. I don't think it's broke, but it's super loose, whereas this one over here is as tight as can be. So even whenever I put the window up, it's still super loose. So ordered a new regulator and we'll get that in. So for now, while we're waiting on that to come in, we're gonna look at the passenger backside window and see what the issue in that one is. I think it just came off the tracks. I hope so, because I really don't want to order another regulator. Okay, so I got the regulator off. I plugged it in, just the regulator by itself, to see if that was the issue. One way it runs smooth, but the other way there's a big it's like a big clicking in there or something. So I think that may be what is throwing it off. I don't know, but we'll get a rear regulator like I didn't want to, and see if that fixes it. But for now, we'll go ahead and pull out the front window regulator since we have that one coming anyways. It almost looks like this one was wet at some point in time. So got the passenger side regulator out, and I remember saying that one side was loose, the other side's too tight. That's what it was, I guess. The wire slipped off this plastic track, so it's under there. You can see where it's been rubbing right there. It's been rubbing all the way down that thing. So I guess that's the culprit on that one. And the other one, hopefully it's just the motor. So we'll continue whenever the regulators get here in a few days. What's up, guys? So it's been like a few seconds for y'all. It's been like over a week for me. The window regulators came in. So let's get them unboxed and get them put in the car finally, and then I can roll up these damn windows, man. Alright, so we got the new hangers in, the old hangers out, cleaned the window because it was filthy. Yes, my rotors for my brakes came in, and my brake pads. Now we're going to try to get the window back in the door, or attempt to. We'll see how this goes. I left the back one in because, I don't know, it was a pain in the ass. It was being a pain in the ass, so. There we go, front one done. Know it works because I tested it before. Now to the back one. This one should be a lot easier. It's just one track. The window's already in there, so let's get going. we are done. We'll turn the car on, test them both out, see how they do. I mean, I did them before I did it, but now that everything is put together, we'll see. Oh, there we go. That one didn't work at all before, so better not. Let's try the passenger side. Fingers crossed. So since brakes and rotors came in, next video will be brakes and rotors. Not the greatest content, but it's content. Can't start off with like crazy shit straight from the beginning or else we run out of stuff. So stick with the BMW build, guys. It'll get there one day. Yeah, so I'd say mission successful. Wasn't too hard. Just remembering where everything went mainly, and waiting for the parts. That's what took the longest. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy. This is Speed Vision.